Forgotten username recovery failed on Digit Plus fix. If you've tried recovering your Digit Plus username and nothing works, most people make the mistake of skipping verification or using an outdated email. The surprising truth is that you can regain access quickly if you follow the right steps. Step 1. Open the Digit Plus app or website and click on Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. Digit will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails are often filtered automatically, and repeated requests within a short period can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification details like your full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact Digit Plus support directly with this information. Providing details about recent deposits, savings activity, or linked accounts can help speed up verification. Step 4. Once your username is restored, save it securely in a password manager. Enabling two-factor authentication is highly recommended to prevent future login issues and keep your financial information safe. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your Digit Plus account efficiently, keeping your automated savings and budgeting uninterrupted. Proper verification and credential management are key to smooth, secure access.